If you're not using AI to write your YouTube scripts, you're probably wasting time. But here's the truth. Most people using AI are still getting bad results. They paste a topic into ChatGPT and get a script in seconds. But when they read it, it feels generic. The hook is weak. There's no tension. Nothing makes you want to keep watching. And that's not AI's fault. It's because they don't understand what makes a YouTube script actually work. First, you need to know your audience. Who are you talking to? Beginners, business owners, gamers. The tone, examples, and pacing must match the viewer. If it doesn't connect in the first few seconds, they leave. Second, the hook matters most. Confirm the click and create curiosity. Let viewers know they're in the right place. Then hint at something valuable coming later. That curiosity gap is what drives retention. In the main part, start strong. Don't save your best point for last. Reveal information step by step instead of dumping everything at once. Use small transitions like, but here's where most people go wrong, to keep attention high. Also, avoid sounding like a lecture. Change tone, add tension, add relief. Shift something every 30 to 40 seconds to keep energy alive. And finally, end with purpose. Quickly summarize the value and guide viewers to the next step, another video, a link, or subscribing. AI can absolutely save time. But it only works when you understand structure. AI doesn't replace skill, it amplifies it. And once you combine the right principles with the right tool, you stop creating average content and start creating videos people actually watch until the end.